The gusts have started early this morning and they really have not let up. And a lot of people we talk to say it makes them just want to stay inside and hide. People who live in Porter Ranch are used to the wind, but that doesn't mean they like it.
Every year I think, oh, this is the year I'm going to move, and then the rest of the year I love living here, so I kind of forget about it until the winds kick in again.
And then homeowners have to deal with all the little hassles the winds cause.
We've lost so much patio furniture over the years, so we've learned to tie that up very tightly.
The garbage truck, they come and pick up the trash, and I look down the street and my trash cans are blown all the way down the streets.
Manny Edwards says he's lucky that his dog Bubs is close to the ground, but he still worries about him in this weather.
I won't have him out as long, and plus I'm going to dress a little warmer because it's super cold with the winds.
The strong gusts took down a tree in Bel Air last night. No one was injured and the tree didn't knock down any power lines, but first responders say people who live in at-risk areas should be prepared for possible power outages. They also say drivers need to be careful on the roads. Wind might have been a factor in this big rig overturning on the 215 freeway in San Bernardino. Many say this weather makes it hard to keep control and stay in your lane.
I have a high-profile car, so my car will kind of sway a little bit. Yeah, you have to slow down a little bit, and you have to pay attention and hold the wheel a little better.
Now, one good thing is because we've had all the recent rain, the hillsides are not as dry, but still firefighters say any little spark in this weather could lead to a big problem. So they're asking everyone to just be cautious until these winds die down.